Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. My favorite makeup today is this. This is the Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter Highlighter. This is in the shade Pink. It makes a beautiful glow on the skin. It's got a very squishy texture. It reminds me a lot of like a Super Shock cheek shadow from ColourPop. The one thing about this is that it does have a really strong like coconut sunscreeny smell, and that was a little annoying at first, but after a few weeks this has started to dissipate. I don't smell it so much anymore, and so when I put it on my face it doesn't bother me. I think it's really beautiful, and this is like a swatch of it right now. Like, look how blinding this highlight is. It's really quite lovely. So I do definitely recommend this. And now onto the video. I was actually going to film something else right now, which I will afterwards, but then the doorbell rang. It came early. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about my Sephora Playbox. This is the Playbox for January 2018. First, I'm going to go over all of the stuff I received in December of 2017 just to see how I've been liking it in the last month, and then we'll get on to the new stuff in the box. So the Sephora Playbox is a $10 monthly subscription box that you can get through the Sephora.com website. You can also sign up for it on the app, and they will automatically bill you and they'll ship a box out to your house. You're going to get 6 deluxe size samples. So out of the 6 items from last month's box, I've actually decluttered 2 of them, so I rehomed them with someone else. So one of them was the Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Crayon. That was in the color Naturel. It was too light for me. I did not like the way it looked on my skin. It was the color of my skin, but a little bit lighter, but not in a pretty way. It just looked like I'd made a mistake on my eye makeup. Like I had a glob of foundation as opposed to an eyeshadow. So it just wasn't a good color. I actually really do like that product. I have it in rose gold. I think it's beautiful. Just the shade was not for me. But my mom liked it, so I actually gave it to her. And I also had a sample of Stella by Stella McCartney, the Eau de Parfum. I had had that previously. It's not my favorite scent, so I passed it on to a friend who really likes it. So those 2 are already out of the collection. We'll just focus on the 4 I still have. To be honest, I have yet to use this Caudalie Energizing and Smoothing Eye Cream. It's because I've been using a skin regimen involving Sunday Riley products, and I didn't want to introduce anything else into the mix until I figured out how that was going to affect my skin. I do still intend to use it, but I haven't yet. I also received this from Drybar. This is the Triple Sec 3-in-1. This is supposed to refresh your hair and texturize and that kind of thing. It's not really a dry shampoo, and yet it kind of is. It's really intended for you to prolong your blowout, which is not something I do to my hair. So while I did try it once after I did my hair one day just to see if it did anything, I didn't notice it to do much. I suspect it's more activated by heat based on the description of it, so I may be decluttering this as well. But there were 2 products I did enjoy. This is the first one. This is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. This is in the shade Black. My saddest regret that they don't make this in other colors, because this pen is amazing. It's so easy to apply. If you are not very good at putting on liquid eyeliner, you should definitely try this stuff. Like, this was so nice. It glided on so well. It looked great. It applies really beautifully on top of eyeshadow as well. Is it better than my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper? It's not better, it's just different. They're not exactly the same. They don't apply exactly the same, and the shade of black is a little bit different too. But I really do like this eyeliner, and I have continued to use it throughout the month, so I highly recommend this. Especially as someone who is as bad at putting on eyeliner as I am, notwithstanding how much eyeliner I own. And I'm wearing the last product. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick. This is in the shade C207. It might have a name. I think it's fuchsia related. It looks like this. This lipstick is awesome. It applies really easily. It stays in place. It doesn't bleed outside my lines. It doesn't get all over my teeth. It looks great. It's a wonderful formula. Your lips kind of stick together at first when you first apply it, but otherwise throughout the day I don't even notice it's on, and I don't have to worry about it either. I think this lipstick is great. And now onto the box. So the bag itself this month says 2018 Happy You Year, and then the hashtag Sephora Play. It's very cute. I have so many of these bags. I end up decluttering them. I probably won't keep this one. It's cute, but it's not that cute, but it's good to have another bag just in case of emergency. I don't know what this is. I'm trying to guess. Feels like a bottle. I hope it's not like shampoo. That would be boring. All right, let's see what we get. Oh, this is from Boscia. This is an exfoliating peel gel. I guess this is like my own tiny chemical peel in a bottle. All right. I'm definitely interested in trying that out. I don't know if I want to use it right now on my winter skin because it's a little more sensitive and dry at the moment, but maybe that is what I want to do. I'm definitely intrigued by this. I think I'm going to do some more research on it before I put it on my face. All right, next up, clearly I have chosen incorrectly the first time. I don't know what this is either. That feels too big to be perfume. Well, let's find out. This is the Smashbox new Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer plus Moisturizer in one. This is hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Okay, so this is basically the Photo Finish Primer, which I do like, with a moisturizer in it in order to just make it magical. So basically you're supposed to add 1 to 2 pumps to your fingertips and put this on before you put your makeup on, and you can use this with a moisturizer or in place of, apparently. It's supposed to give you 24-hour hydration, 127% instant moisture, clinically proven apparently, and then by 100 plus consumers they tested it, 99% said it felt lightweight, 91% said your makeup went on flawlessly, and 88% said that it made your makeup last all day. So it comes in a tiny glass jar. I'm definitely willing to try this out. I do like the Photo Finish Primer. It's not my favorite primer, but it's a good one. It works with most of my foundation. I just have never purchased a full size. I didn't even realize this was a thing, so I'm happy to try this out. Maybe I didn't get perfume this month. I don't feel anything that could be perfume, except maybe the foil packet. But even still, that doesn't feel like perfume either. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a lip gloss in the color Kristen. So this is a very like pale peachy nude. I thought that I had tried the lip gloss, but I haven't. I've actually tried the liquid lip, which I didn't particularly care for, at least in that color. I felt that it behaved like a lip gloss. So I've actually never tried this one, so this is going to get added into the rotation. I'm intrigued. It's a very pale nude lip gloss, which is not necessarily my jam. And I feel like we just got a pale nude lip gloss like 2 boxes ago, so maybe not the best plan here, Sephora play, but I haven't tried this one and I'm willing to give it a go. Truly, I don't know this is probably skincare, I would say. What is this? This is the Clinique Pep-Start eye cream. So I'm getting another eye cream, so that's 2 eye creams in a row. I possibly say I like eye cream in my profile, maybe that's why. I haven't tried this one. I heard it smells good though. It actually doesn't smell like anything, so I don't know where I heard that. Must have been a lie. So anyway, I will try to give this a go. However, it's gonna just go into the queue. Frankly, I have a lot of eye creams waiting to be used, and right now I'm still working through my Sunday Riley stuff. So I'm gonna try to get through this, but I may end up decluttering it, not because it's a bad product, just because there's only one of me and I only have 2 eyes. I can't put everything on. All right, if anything's perfume, I think it would have to be this. So let's pull this out. This is Ouai, Ouai, I don't know. This is a hair care treatment mask. So this is supposed to go smooth evenly through your hair, combing with fingers if needed, chill out for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse. Okay, so you can use this after shampooing. Also, this is one of those hair packets that you're gonna have a million sample sizes in this. I could probably use this 5 times before I ran out. So I'm definitely willing to give that a go. It says you can use it daily if you have super coarse hair, which I do not, so I would not. I would probably use this maybe once, twice a week if my hair was really feeling it. So I will try this, but never tried this one, and sorry, I really don't know how to pronounce the name of this brand. Sorry about that. And last but not least, we have Glamglow. This is the Supercleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Squeeze a generous amount into hands, add water, and vigorously rub hands together to create a foaming lather. Apply to dry face and massage your skin, rinse clean. I guess this is, so according to the paperwork, this is a makeup remover, so I will add this to the makeup remover battle, so I do actually try this out. I admittedly don't get super excited about Glamglow stuff. I have yet to find a Glamglow product that works on my skin. I tried like a tinted moisturizer that made me super shimmery and not in a good way. I tried one of the masks. I didn't really care for it. There was another moisturizer. I didn't like that one either. It smelled weird. So I'm certainly willing to give it a go. Not the most exciting brand for me to find in my Sephora play bag, but I'm sure that other people are like, yes, Glamglow, it's what I've always wanted. So I hope you're getting yours in your bag too. Anyway, so this month I got 6 samples of 6 products I've never actually tried before, so that's actually a win. I don't even mind getting duplicates in my Sephora play boxes if it's stuff that I like. It's when I get stuff that I don't like that I'm grumpy about it, but luckily I haven't gotten burned on that too much. So for December's box, we were at like a 33% win rate because a third of the box, 2 out of 6 were really great. Another 2 were okay, but I haven't quite figured out how to use them yet, or I haven't had a chance to use them, and then 2 of them I already decluttered because they're just not a good fit for me. So I'm hoping my odds are better with January, so fingers crossed. Anyway, if you're enjoying the content on this channel, please subscribe. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!